and extremely twisty. It's at this point that one realizes just how well sorted the Porsche 911 of Henry Toivonen's is. It's quickest on this stage, and just look at Toivonen throwing the car, plenty of oversteer. Into second place, 2 seconds behind on this particular stage, Bernard Béguin with the BMW M1. He still maintains his overall lead, but up into third place has come Henry Toivonen. Bruno Sebi, as ever, spectacular. He's third quickest, quicker than the works car of Jean Ragnotti. Number 3 there. He's still second overall, 21 seconds behind the leader. Meanwhile, Francois Chatriot does it a very strange way and tries to take a few spectators with him. He's 5th quickest on the stage. A little discussion there by those spectators. Next up is Bernard Daniche with the rather cumbersome Audi Quattro, in particular around these stages. 7th place for Guy Fréclin. And the overall positions, still Bernard Béguin leading, Ragnotti second, Toivonen with the Porsche now up to third place, Sebi dropping to 4th, Chatriot 5th, Fréclin 6th, and Daniche